Good day everyone, my name is Tolu and today I'll be taking you on how to make use of the Note 3 software here on the Edtek Interactive Board. Let's get right into it. So let's launch our Note 3 software by double clicking on it. So today I'll be teaching you specifically on how to save your lectures and open your lectures after you saved them. As a teacher, you have taught your students, let's say you're teaching them English. You're an English teacher in the class today and you're taking them on nouns. So what is a noun? A noun is a name of any person, animal. Let me erase this since it's not taking sense. Click on that. Okay? Person, animal, place, or thing. So here I am, I'm done with my class. And I still want to make use of this word. I want to make use of this word for students to go through after the class. What do I do? I have to save it. So for me to save it, I'll come to this menu bar. Then I will see save. So this is save right here. Then I'll click on it. So once you click on save, it will take you here. Now we can save the file by changing the file name. So I'll change the file name to this. English, the subject. Then I'll save it as which class, basic 1. Then what is the topic? Now who is the teacher? This is. Then make sure you take note of where you're saving it. So you're either saving it in documents, download, just look up here to know where you're saving it. So once you look up here, you see it's documents, that's where you're saving it to. So you remember for the next class. And you can either press enter here or save. Click on save. Saved successfully. So now you can exit your class, you're done with your teaching. Click on this menu bar, click on exit, and you're done. Now you're back again the next day to continue teaching them on nouns, or you just want to revise on your lessons. What do? You click on notes again, you launch it. So once you launch it, you go back to your menu bar. Then you, since you're still on file, then open this, open here, click on it. So once you click on it, you navigate to where you saved it. Was it in downloads or documents? Now, since you saved it in documents, you click, since it's in document, look for your class. So this is my class here. Click on it, click on open, and there you have it. I hope you all understand. Thank you for your time and have a great day.